Hi, I'm Richard Pether from Rotech Machines in the United Kingdom. It's been a privilege to be working with Leibinger for the past 18 months as a distributor for their products into the UK market. The quality of the products is without any equal. Spending time at their factory, looking at how they're made, understanding more about the applications has shown us the benefits of a German-built system for our customers in the UK market, where uptime, reliability, print quality means so much. And we've been absolutely delighted to be working with Leibinger, installing a wide range of printers into a wide range of applications over the past few months, just over a year as it happens.